It's Sherri from A Quilting Life, and I'm here today to share some fun things from Fat Quarter Shop. I've got the 2025 Jolly Box, I've got the November Sew Sampler Box, which I love, and I've also going to share some fun new decor items that Fat Quarter Shop has available for you to buy. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I'm going to start with these Darling Quilt Block decor items. They are solid wood. They're painted and they're decorated with these quilt blocks. They come in a set of 4 from Fat Quarter Shop. They actually gifted these to me for participating in some events with them and as a thank you gift. And I love them. They are so fun. And I'm gonna use them to decorate in my office and my sewing room. I'm gonna put a couple in my office and a couple in my sewing room, but you could definitely use them all 4 together, and they are just traditional blocks, and this would make a great gift. Or if you're looking for something to decorate your space, they also have a hanger on the back, so you could hang them on the wall if you didn't want to just set them on a shelf. And I think if I were going to hang them on the wall, I would definitely do just like a set of 4, maybe kind of do them like that, so that the ones with the outer aqua edges would be diagonal and the ones with the outer darker pink corners would be diagonal. So if I were going to hang them on the wall, I would kind of do it like that. It would be super cute. So really want to thank Fat Quarter Shop for these and wanted to be sure and share them with you. Okay, I'm going to share the November Sew Sampler Box with you next. We really wanted to get this out at the end of November, but my box was a little bit delayed in arriving because of all the shipping that's going on right now. But I didn't want to miss sharing this box with you because it has some really lovely things in it. Okay. And Winter Orchard is the theme of the box, and I did kind of guess this one. The fabric is from my friend Vanessa Gertson, and so I was pretty sure that's what it was. This is her Wild Honey collection. It's in stores now, and it's absolutely beautiful. It's kind of a fallish look, winterish fall, and this is a layer cake with 10-inch squares. And just really, really beautiful fabrics. I always love a good text print. I've got to make something with this for next fall. It just feels like fall to me. She's also got some really cute patterns. There's a butterfly pillow pattern that Vanessa has. I might just have to get that and make that, and then like a table runner to match, because my grandmother always loved butterflies. But just the sweetest little florals. And just some kind of Vanessa's signature floral look. This is just a really great collection. And again, it is in stores now. Love the blue. Just pinks. Really, really beautiful collection. Wild Honey by Lella Boutique. Also in the box is something that I love and use all the time, diagonal seam tape. And I was super excited to see this because you run out of this, and so I feel like, okay, I've got an extra roll now, so I'm doing well. A little pair of perfect scissors, Karen K. Buckley. I love these. They have very, very sharp micro blades that are just really awesome. This is, of course, the little card with all the description of all the box contents, and then we've got a block number 8 for the flowering sew along, and this one's called I Lilac You. Cute name for a block. I love the little secondary star design in there. And these are 18.5 inch by 18.5 inch blocks. So really fun. Finally, there is also a pattern for the Orange Blossom quilt. These patterns you can only get in the box. Everything else you can get separately, but these only are available in the box. But such a great box. I always love Vanessa's fabrics and really just couldn't wait to share this one with you. And they do have a la carte boxes, or you can sometimes find all of these, well, you can find all these items separately. Okay, let's move on to the 2025 Jolly Box. And Fat Quarter Shop always does a great job of curating these holiday themed boxes. Along the same lines, I did notice that you are able now to get on the waiting list for their Cupid box. So if you're thinking about Valentine's, now is the time to get on their waiting list for that. Okay, so this is the 2025 Jolly Box, and really fun large panel. This is from Beverly McCullough. She is a Riley Blake designer, and this is the Mistletoe and Holly Tree Skirt and Mini Stockings. And this is a Jolly Box exclusive. So I am super excited to get this quilted. I'm going to take it to my quilter, and I'm actually probably going to use some Sherri and Chelsea fabric on the back to tie it all in. And I'm going to get this quilted and get these made up, and I will share them on an upcoming works in progress post. So really stay tuned for that. There are also fat quarters from this same collection from Bev, and it's also called Mistletoe and Holly. And so just some really traditional red and green fabrics. Really, really cute. Really cute. And they do coordinate with the panel. A little list of everything that's in the box. I love getting a spool of RFL thread. This is a great basic color. I've actually been binding a lot of quilts and using this color lately because it just seems to seamlessly blend in. It's 2615 is the number on that. Very, very cute. A mistletoe moments ornament. This is also with Fat Quarter Shop in conjunction with Beverly McCullough, and it is gorgeous. Just a really fun, I can't wait to hang this on my tree. It's really beautiful. Okay, and last but not least, there is a Mistletoe Moments quilt pattern from Beverly Fabric. The pattern is also by Bev, and Christmas trees, presents, and houses. Just a really fun little, let's see, it finishes at 52 inches by 56.5. So I will link to all of these things. There are just so many fun things available right now to inspire your holiday sewing. Okay, so that's it for the 2025 Jolly Box, the 2025 November Sew Sampler Box, and these fun quilt block decor pieces that all are available from Fat Quarter Shop. If you enjoyed today's video, please share it with a friend, hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thanks so much for stopping by.